Let's talk about Safemoon for a moment. Safemoon is both a cryptocurrency and a token. It was just released and has already gone viral. Perhaps you heard of it from Afrojack, Keemstar, Jake Paul, and other well-known celebrities. It's also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, and several online communities. If you're a seasoned crypto user, you're presumably a member of a number of Discord groups and channels, and you've undoubtedly heard about this. And you've undoubtedly seen some messages or group chats on Telegram about another messaging app. Traditional media outlets, whether pump and dump or not, are discussing this right now and continuing to publish new articles. Many individuals are aware of it, including those who have never purchased an altcoin. In this video, we're going to go over everything you need to know about Safemoon. We'll discuss what it does, the team behind it, the controversies, and my honest opinion on the whole thing. We'll also discuss what's objectively on their roadmap, and if you're truly interested in buying Safemoon, I'll provide some information on that as well. To begin, what exactly is a Safemoon? Safemoon Protocol is the official name for Safemoon. It is a cryptocurrency, which are digital currencies that exist only online and seek to be used as a medium of exchange. Safemoon, like other major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, is driven by a distributed ledger technology such as blockchain and was built on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Whether it's legitimate or not, it has a white paper just like any other crypto project out there. Basically, it will be a whole thesis about what they're going to accomplish and how it will work. It's what you show the audience so that they can read it and understand what they're getting into. I'll just give you one huge highlight from it because reading the whole thing would be too long. Safemoon basically has three major functions that happen throughout a trade. Someone holding Safemoon tokens and then selling them is an example of a trade in this situation. So there were three things that occurred. The first is something called static rewards, which is also known as reflection. Automatic liquidity pool acquisition is also a possibility. If you heard of liquidity pools or liquidity providers, you've undoubtedly heard of anything similar to this. Then there is what we call manual burns, which are something else entirely. When you burn anything in any other setting, it almost always has a negative meaning. The tokens are being burned in this situation. There are exceptions, but in the crypto world, burning tokens and perhaps restricting the overall supply is typically thought to be a good thing. It is done in good faith and is usually with the intention of truly assisting everyone in the neighborhood. So maybe anything I just stated makes no sense right now. Let me give you an example of what can happen if you own this cryptocurrency and decide to sell it. Safemoon was created in such a way that it encourages long-term investment while discouraging selling. This is accomplished by charging sellers a 10% fee, with half of the money going into Safemoon's existing holders and the other half going into a liquidity pool in an effort to better maintain price stability. Simply put, the Safemoon protocol provides liquidity and rewards its most loyal users, but discourages you from selling. Enacting a financial penalty for selling is one strategy to deter people from selling. In this instance, anytime you sell Safemoon, you'll be charged an automatic 10% fee. So if you wanted to sell $100 worth in Safemoon, you'll be charged a $10 fee right now. What happens to the $10 fee though? Is it going to be split in half? So half of the $10 is transferred to all current Safemoon holders, and that redistribution pertains to the first function I mentioned, the static reward or reflection. It is essentially a prize for being a faithful holder and a follower. The remaining $5 are divided in half again for a total of $2.50. As a result, it's around a fourth of this initial punishment. Binance received $2.50 from the deal. In the Pancake Swap, the remaining $2.50 are used as a liquidity pair. Pancake Swap is a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, a fast, low-cost Ethereum alternative. All of this is inextricably linked to the liquidity I mentioned previously. Who's the team behind this? You might simply go on the website to find the answer to that question. It has all of their faces on it, and you can read about what they've done in the past if you want to go back and check everything. Their CEO is also active on Twitter, and appears that their crew is responsive and active across various platforms, whether it's Reddit, Discord, Telegram, or whatever else you're using. However, there is always a reason to be skeptical. Let's take a look at some of the issues at hand. In general, many individuals will label anything related to cryptocurrency as a fraud. Whether you like crypto or not, a lot of people believe this is a scam, especially when looking at a company's model and business model. In the case of Safemoon, they claim it's a scam because it penalizes suppliers. There are those who go even further and examine the source code of crypto projects. Apparently, there was another project called B, and it was very similar to Safemoon. They also want to say that this is a mix of 4 other projects, including Liquid, Shiba Inu, Reflect Finance, and Doge. Safemoon has a large following. There are numerous projects that are literally titled Safe Something. Perhaps you have heard of a Safe Star, a Safe Mars, a Safe Horizon, or a Safe Anything. That's the source of debate, because many people believe it created a trend that isn't healthy for the crypto world. The third point of contention is that what is the purpose of this token, and is it even useful? You'll probably be asking yourself that question even after reading the white paper, but the whole other group of people in the crypto realm that don't give a damn. To be absolutely honest, many people felt Bitcoin was a hoax when it first came out, and it hasn't changed much more than a decade later. And I'm sure you know at least one person who remains suspicious of Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency world in general. As a result, it looks like the whole cycle is restarting, and Safemoon is at the front of a new group of crypto investors. In general, exercise extreme caution. Investing in Safemoon is a personal decision that should be dependent on how much risk you are willing to face. The success of Safemoon is dependent on Binance, the Safemoon team, and the community that develops around it. Any crypto project has the potential to be a rug pull. It is essentially an exit scam, and some of them are rather intricate. There are a lot of developer teams out there who have admitted to being hacked. That most likely didn't happen, but that is how they take everyone's money. As a new cryptocurrency, an investment in Safemoon at this time would be pure speculation. Having said that, all ships rise with the tide. If Bitcoin continues on its upward trajectory in the current bull market, then there's a chance that Safemoon may rise as well, and other speculative investors might drive it higher. But these are hazardous investments. Regardless of your feelings towards Safemoon, I believe it is a really essential crypto project. In fact, it could be the most significant altcoin in recent times. Furthermore, the Safemoon fans are among the most devoted. Some of these may be bots, but the others are not. But even if there are some false followers, I'd say there's a lot of truly dedicated fans. In the investment business, this is one of the most important things about a whole group. So what's going to happen next? Safemoon, on the other hand, will be subjected to a Cynic audit. It's essentially a third-party audit for any form of crypto project, making you feel a little better about what you're holding. The Safemoon team has also stated that an NFT exchange will be launched in the future. They are rumored to be working on their first video game, which will include Safemoon. They are also ambitious to expand the company. Of course, they'll expand not just internally, but also externally to various geographic places around the world. In addition, I've seen them mention charitable projects as well as crypto educational apps and tools. If you're interested in purchasing this, you'll need the Binance currency first. Safemoon has information on how to purchase it on their website, and you could also follow them on Twitter. Please let me know what you think about this right now. Leave a comment in the box below. And I'm wondering who is holding a Safemoon and who is avoiding it. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel if you learned something new, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.